Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, July 17th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It um, basically opened negative and just slid more and more negative all day long. You'd think maybe that resulted in a bad day for us. Ironically, uh, we may have had one of the best days in July so far. Of course, we haven't done very well in July, but yeah, we had a good day. Um, Contrasting this today with yesterday, yesterday is like we started out pretty good, and then things just got worse and worse all day long. Today, uh, things just got better and better all day long, right up to the very end. It was very refreshing, and it buoys my spirits to have a decent day for a change. We had six trades, six stocks coming into today. Yesterday we were negative about $500 on those in open trade. We ended up closing those out with positive $5,400. So that was a pleasant surprise. And then we got into 8 new positions today. 5 were positive, 3 were negative, but we're carrying positive $9,000 going into tomorrow. So, hey, that's just good all around. I add that up, that's about $14,000 there between what we closed out and what we're carrying. So just knock on wood, we get some follow through tomorrow, and maybe we'll rack up a few profits here, which really feels good because we need them. Okay, I will show you 3 of the good. By the way, um, most of our good stuff today isn't related to the Dow. I mean, there's just no correlation. Most of it is in gold. Gold has really been moving strong, and we are benefiting from that because I think we have about 4 stocks in our portfolio related to gold. Anyway, let's look at the good stuff today. This first one is DRIP. That's not gold. That is oil and the oil and gas exploration bear. So it's going to go up when expectation for those products go down. And we had uh, taken a small profit yesterday in DRIP, and then actually a couple $1,000s there I think we took in profit on DRIP yesterday, shortly after the open, and then I complained about this. We had about a $4 to $5,000 move here that we were not in the stock at all, and then we got re-entered right here at the top, and then it pulls back at the end and basically cancels out those profits we made here. Well, my complaint was a little premature because it popped up this morning and we got out of there, and so we had about a $2,000 negative go to $1,000 profit on that exit. So that I was very pleased with. What I wasn't expecting at all is this thing, dips and dives around and finally goes up and hits our re-entry. But unlike this re-entry yesterday that went immediately against us, this re-entry today kept moving, and we are holding positive $1,700 in open trade and drip. So, you combine the $1,000 with 1,700. That's getting close to $3,000 there that we made today in drip. So that's really good. Very pleased. Big turnaround for that stock. And then this is a gold stock. This is Nugget, which is a gold mining bull, and we bought this second hour, and it just kept going. This is what I used to call Sweet William trade. You get into it, it never looks back, and then ends up closing near its high. Exactly what happened with Nugget today, and we're holding positive $3,300 in Nugget going into tomorrow. And then furthermore, in gold, this is even better. This is JNUG, which is another gold miner, and we had bought this yesterday with about 3 hours to go. It went against us. It was fairly negative on the close yesterday. It pops up, and we get out of it here with $355 profit. I was just delighted with that because we had a fairly significant negative down here on the close. So we're out of here with 355 in profit. It keeps going, and then we're re-entered. Fortunately, we were re-entered fairly close to where we got out. And then this is another Sweet William. It just kept going there, and where it closed there, we have $5,100 open trade in JNUG. So that's just a beautiful trade. So on balance, put it all together, we got $9,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So I'm feeling really good about that, and let's hope for some follow through tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Thursday.